This is Soumya from Finance and Commerce. Welcome to my channel and please subscribe.
Hi all, welcome you all to the Financial Management lecture series. Now we are discussing about the various determinants of working capital, that is the factors which influences the working capital decisions of a firm. The factors of working capital can be broadly classified into two: internal factors and external factors. Internal factors affecting working capital decisions are: the first one is nature of business. According to the nature of business, working capital requirement varies. For example, in case of public utility companies, normally the working capital required will be least. But for trading concerns and like financial institutions, normally their working capital need will be high compared to public utilities. So, nature of the business influences working capital requirement. Then, the second factor is size of the business. Size of the business is measured in terms of scale of operations. A concern with larger scale of operations normally needs more amount of working capital and vice versa. Then the next internal factor is production cycle. What do you mean by production cycle? Production cycle is actually the time period between the procurement of raw material and production of finished goods. So in a production cycle, the first stage is procurement of raw material and final stage is production of finished goods. Larger the production cycle, larger will be the need of working capital. That is, production cycle also influences the requirement of working capital. The next internal factor is credit policy. Credit policy offered by the firm, that is the internal factor. It influences the working capital requirement. There are two types of credit policies, that is liberal credit policies and stringent or strict credit policy. If the company offers liberal credit policy, normally they need more amount of working capital. But if the credit policy is strict, less amount of working capital will be needed. Also, the credit terms offered by the suppliers of the business influences working capital. It is actually the external factors, not the internal factor, but it also influences the working capital requirement. If the credit grant offered by the supplier is liberal, less amount of working capital is required. And if the credit terms is strict, then more amount of working capital will be needed. So, credit policy, both internal as well as external, credit policy offered by the firm and credit terms granted by the suppliers of the firm, both influences working capital requirement. Then the next internal factor is growth of business. It is difficult to tell the actual relationship between growth and working capital, but it can be generally said that more working capital will be needed in case of growing firms or growth firms than other static firms. So, growth of business also influences the working capital requirement. Then, the next internal factor is dividend policy. The payment of dividend in the form of cash dividend will affect working capital requirement, as cash is one of the ingredient of working capital. But if bonus share is issued, that is only at the capitalization of profit or capitalization of reserves. So, it will not affect working capital. So, if the dividend is paid in cash, it will affect working capital requirements. So, dividend policy is a factor affecting working capital needs. The next internal factor is operating efficiency. What do you mean by operating efficiency? It is the efficiency of a firm or a company to utilize its resources at minimum cost. That is optimum utilization of resources at minimum cost. If a firm has such operating efficiency, normally they will need only less amount of working capital. But If the firm has not much operating efficiency, normally they will need more amount of working capital. The next internal factor is production policy, not production cycle, production policy. When the production is carried on the basis of demand anticipation, normally such firm will need more amount of working capital as demand is anticipated and there may be demand fluctuations. So, in order to meet such fluctuations, they will need more amount of working capital. These are the internal factors affecting working capital decisions. Then, next factor is external factors. The first external factor is taxability, that is the tax rate of government. As the tax liability increases, more amount of working capital will be needed. So, tax planning is a must for the efficient working capital management. Then the next external factor is supply of raw material. If a firm expected that there will be a shortage of raw material in the near future, normally what will they do? They will keep raw materials more than they needed. So, the working capital requirement will be high in such cases. So, supply of raw material also influences working capital requirement. The next external factor is business cycle. Business cycle or economic cycle, it includes 4 stages: expansion, recession, depression and recovery. When the demand is high, normally price increases in the stage of expansion and there will be a high need of working capital. But at the stage of depression, when the demand is low, normally price will decrease. So, there will be less amount of working capital requirement. And in the stages of recession and recovery, a medium amount or an average amount of working capital will be required. Not much or not less. Then the next external factor is price level changes. Normally, increasing prices needs more uses of funds and hence need more amount of working capital. But it cannot be generalized because the effect of price level changes will be different for different companies according to their nature of business, size of business, production policy and other factors. So, price level changes will also act as a factor influencing working capital requirement. These are the various determinants of working capital, the factors affecting working capital decisions. Mainly, there are 2 types of factors, internal factors and external factors. Let us discuss more about working capital in the upcoming videos. Thank you.
So, hope you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe and turn on notification by hitting that bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching. See you. Take care.